Scoring a 7+ band in the IELTS exam requires dedication and hard work. It is essential to practice all 4 sections of the test: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Reading regularly in English can help improve vocabulary and comprehension skills. Writing practice essays and getting feedback from a teacher or tutor can also be beneficial. For the listening section, it is important to listen to a variety of English accents and practice listening to different types of recordings. Taking notes while listening can help improve retention and understanding. In the speaking section, practicing speaking English with a native speaker or language partner can help improve fluency and pronunciation. It is also important to work on expanding vocabulary and using a variety of sentence structures. Overall, time management is crucial during the exam. It is important to practice completing each section within the allotted time to ensure all questions are answered. Finally, taking practice tests can help familiarize oneself with the format of the exam and identify areas that need improvement. By dedicating time to study and practice, it is possible to achieve a 7+ band in the IELTS exam.